Hello guys, Dev here, and today in this video we will review the software MarketingBlocks. Marketing with AI. Get all of your landing pages, promo videos, advertising, marketing copy, graphics, email swipe, voiceovers, blog post, art, and more in 60 seconds. Stay until the end. I will show you MarketingBlocks, ratings, reviews, pros and cons, pricing and upsells, as well as my honest opinion and ratings. For discounts and offers, do check out the sales page. I included a link in the description. MarketingBlocks 2.0 is an AI-based software that generates an online ready-to-profit business from using a keyword. It works as a personal marketing assistant, enabling you to easily create ads, marketing or sales copy, promotional videos, and so on. Furthermore, this software was developed by Ifeanyi team, a successful Nigerian entrepreneur who specializing in software development and also has 40,000 customers worldwide. In this MarketingBlocks 2.0, he made a few changes and revised some additional features. Most affiliate marketers and online business owners use this software because it is convenient for them. You can see some of their video reviews for this product on the sales page. Pros and cons and my personal opinion. Pros. Server that is easy to use and responds quickly. The dashboard setup was good, and the UX and UI design is user-friendly, so it's also simple to use for beginners. AI writer is good. This software's AI writer is excellent. First and foremost, it creates unique content that is ideal for marketing and courses and articles. AI editor integration with AI writer is an added benefit. MarketingBlocks ads banners are beautiful, with original content written specifically for business, and video promotion was also effective. The content and stock images are fresh and unique. Cons. The voiceovers are getting a little old. The AI voice collection is a little speedier and it quietly not feel as natural as human voice. The basic version of MarketingBlocks is satisfactory, but the OTS and bundle editions are cost prohibitive for beginners. My personal opinion. This software, in my opinion, is well worth the money. It has a wide range of features and specifications. But if you don't know anything about online business, this software will be an expense for you. It has a lot of features, but the cost is also based on the features and specs, thus you'll be beginning from scratch. I never recommended you to accept any upsell because you must pay yearly. Even so, you have a good understanding of your niche. So that you can save a lot of money and time, you can focus more on growing your business rather than creating unique landing pages, preparing sales letters, and hiring freelancers to build professional websites. I strongly advise you to use this software front end rather than the high-end bundle version because it is quite expensive and is designed for affiliate marketers who want to completely automate their business. MarketingBlocks pricing and upsells. You can get MarketingBlocks front at a low one-time price of $47 and receive an additional free commercial license if you purchase this software through my link, which I provide in the descriptions. This software contains 5 autos and upsells. You can get the upsell details with pricing in this list. And this product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you try this and not satisfy your expectation, you can return this product and get your money back. Features. Ratings. List of ratings based by user experience. For this dashboard setup was simple, so I gave 4.7 ratings out of 5. For the AI support, so that I gave 4.4 ratings out of 5. For worth for money required, so I gave 4.2 ratings out of 5. For user convenience, it's easy for beginners, so I 4.3 out of 5. So overall, I gave 4.6 out of 5. That's all for now, guys. If you want to make a purchase, follow the link I provided below this video, but read the entire sales page twice before purchasing the software. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great week.